Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to comment photo in TikTok. To comment photo on TikTok, first tap open TikTok application in your device. Then you will be landed in the For You page. To add comment, make sure that you are logged in. Now to add comment, simply tap on the comment section on your side panel. Here, tap on Add Comment. To comment photo, you have to select photo from a gallery. So, tap on the gallery icon. Make sure that you have allowed TikTok to access media and photos from your device. If not, you can go to settings and allow permission for TikTok to access media and photos. After that, simply select the photo you want to add comment. Simply tap on it. Now you can add some text as well. After you are done, simply tap on the pink button with white arrow. And with this, you have successfully added photo and comment on TikTok. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.